Relocate. Currently, I'm living and staying in sector 73. It's just 500 meters away from metro station. 52 metro station. Yes. Yes, sure, sir. It's fine. Actually, my name is Rohit Kumar, and generally I'm from Bihar, but currently I'm living in Noida. It's like from the over the past 3 years, and it's like and my hometown is like my Darbhanga. Actually, I'm from Darbhanga, Bihar. And about my qualification, I have done a graduation in geography in 2018. And then apart from that, it's like I joined it's like in my it's like my previous company as a name was Grey India Private Limited. I worked there at least 3 years. It was a contract based project as a it's like IT support engineers. And about my role and responsibility, I was getting chat, email, and a call from the individuals to fix their issue regarding the troubleshooting related issue, software installation related issue, domain related issue, creating user in Active Directory, Microsoft Outlook troubleshooting related issue, a Microsoft Office troubleshooting related issues, right? And the VPN related issue, how to configure the VPN, and the taking any users on the remote supports and then see how the problem is going on in the other sites. This is the my role and responsibility in my previous organization. And about that, sir, qualification, as well, I also, sir, right now pursuing MCA from Chandigarh University. It's an online course. That's a class. It's like
फोन तो उठा ही लेते।
अरे नहीं लग रहा है यार, फोन कहाँ है? कॉल
हैं?
कॉल कहाँ है ये? इसमें
ये देख लो, ये है ना,
तो मिस कर
ये कंपनी की तरफ से कॉल आती है, हमारी तरफ से नहीं आती
अरे
है।
तो नहीं आ रहा था ना भाई, यहाँ पे पता चले तो ऑटोमेटिक कॉल जाता है।
556।
दो यार, लेट हो गया। तो मैं लिख रहा हूँ, सम्मान काउंट करा सकते हैं।
suppose that if any user facing password regarding this, like they are not like able to open their systems. So just you have to see them like what is the main actually problem is going on their sides. And it's like apart from that, sir, we have to take on the remote systems. First we have to take on the remote server systems and see that's like what is the main actual problem. Suppose that if they are not able to it's like open their systems, then we can we can help them through the like troubleshooting related issue. Because we can also see that it's like it is they are putting password correctly or not. If they are it's like they are forgetting their username or not. If they are already like if they are forgetting their username, then we have to first tell them to how can they it's like back up their username. Suppose that they can also back up their username through the putting the mobile number. After they putting it's like a mobile number, they can recover a username. After recovering username, we can like provide them details with the how can they forget the password. Just put in that's like a username and the mobile number, then they will receive the it's like authentic code, and they have to provide the, and then they can select receive the password and they can reset the password. And apart from that, there are many things like that in the systems. They can do that through the software like so. How to SLA tickets to SLA. Okay, sure, sir. Regarding the prioritizing matters, regarding the prioritizing matters, there. Yes, sir. Yes, 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 yes.
prioritize that with your customers with your tickets, how which issue you need to resolve first and which later, how you would do that?
Okay, about the sir service level agreement. If suppose that we are doing about that. So on the ticketing tools, regarding the I was in the my previous organization I was using service now. So it was based on the P1, P2, P3, P4. So first we have to see that's like what is the effect issue on the business or the number of users. We have to first see them. We can see the also like means how is the urgency. Okay, if like suppose that how fast the issue is the come needs to be resolved, okay, depending on how it affects operations. Okay, so it was also based on the P1, P2, P3. So I was like I was solving on the P3 and the P4 basis. So I suppose that they are problem is moderate level and the low level, then it's a take to time the responding and the responding time. So suppose that if any user has a problem, if any user having problem regarding this like a P3 level, and they contact me as a so like we have to respond them with a quick time. We have to also resolve them as like if I resolve them then it's like a resolution. So it was based on the P3, P4. So it's based on the sir level, how is this like how is it critical or not. It's like if it is more critical, then we have to it's like a we have to respond them quickly. If it is moderate level, then they have to we have to it's like send them response them means slow response compared to it's like critical. uh, and it's like means priority is also automatically sir based on the combination of impact and the urgency. And service now also calculate the priority of the ticket sir. Priority typically range, it's I have already mentioned you sir, P1, P2, P3, P4 sir.
So have you worked on system and application support also?
Yes sir.
So can you describe your experience in providing software support, particularly in SQL database-based applications actually?
SQL.
Yeah, SQL database-based application. Have you given any support in those kind of applications which has database SQL?
SQL based yes sir. So basically it's a for the SQL it's a also software support. It's a database typically sir involves assisting users or organizations, okay, with issue related to installation and the configuration optimization and just like troubleshooting and some maintenance of the SQL based databases. There are many types of SQL, MySQL, SQL Server, and it's like a Postgres SQL, Oracle, etc. So like if you are supporting, if you are providing support on the basis of the SQL database, then you have to first we have to see the how can we install the and configure the. Suppose that help user, we can help the users like on the SQL. We can also assist them in the configuration databases. We can also support with the setting of replication, backups, and clustering for high availability. And also we can see the database performance optimization. And first we have to analyze, and then you have to resolve on the slow queries basis. We can also take a backup and recovery. And also we have to see this like security and user access management. First we have to configure roles, permissions, and user access levels to ensure secure operations. These are the like on the basis of the SQLs structure.
Can you let me know like how would you monitor managed service environment for any potential issues actually, and what kind of tools you are familiar with in identifying those issues?
Sir, could you repeat once more?
I asked you how would you monitor a managed service environment for any
Oh,
potential issues
how?
actually.
Okay, how do I monitor managed service requirement and what types of I tools use?
What kind of tools you would use and you're familiar with?
Okay. Yes, sir. It's regarding the tools. So if he's like suppose that in the system operation manager doing the on the manager first we have to see the memory update relating it's like we can also customizable with the management packs and customer rules. We can also see the and
Yeah, so that,
apart. Yes sir.
yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah, you can continue, Rohit. I'm hearing.
Okay. 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 So we have to see the customization related and the about the management tools. So let me think, sir.
Have you performed any kind of system upgrade or software upgrade actually?
System upgrade. Yes, sir.
Have you done any kind of system upgrade or a solution upgrade or a Windows upgrade or Chrome iOS upgrade? Have you done any kind of upgrades actually?
Yeah, about the sir Windows upgrade. There are many types of option. In the systems, if you go to, we can check Windows update regarding the. We have to check go in the setting and we have to check the update and security. And after the clicking on that, we can see that like what is the like updating tools are providing there, and is it available or not. We can also install there. We can also install the Windows sir through the bootable systems. Okay, first we have to make a bootable pen drive. Okay, after making a bootable pen drive, it's like a, because you can download any, it's like a Microsoft Windows regarding the latest operating system through the, it's like a, visiting through the Windows website. Then I can, it's like a official website, and then they can download. And after downloading we have to Windows after through the transferring through the Windows media files, we have to like we have to bootable in the pen drive. After bootable in the pen drive, just we have to like insert in the system where I need to download. After inserting, we have to first restart, then I can go. After restarting, there is an option will be showing there BIOS. After putting in the BIOS, then we can like install the Windows. After after all, one more is also, it's like WDS, Windows Development Server. It's we can also download in the multiple it's like system at the one time. So it is the window applications and Windows installation. Hello.
I'm audible to Rohit.
Yes, you are audible, sir.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
am done from my side, Rohit. I got a little bit of idea from your profile.
Yes, sir.
I will pass on the same. I got a fair bit of idea of your profile.
Yes.
So I will pass on my feedback to my colleague and she will advise you further.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for your
Well.
बकवास है, बकवास दे रहा है, तुम पढ़ाई करते नहीं, खाली बकचोदी।